how to turn off the safe search mode within the Google Chrome app on your iPhone. So it should be toggled on when you first download the app, and to turn it off, what we want to do is select the three dots in the bottom right hand corner. Keep in mind that your bottom corner down here might actually be up at the top. I just set my phone to have it down here, but we want to select those three dots, and then in here what we want to do is go into our settings. So we can tap and slide it over to where we see settings, and then select settings. And then from here, what we want to do is go into privacy and security. So we can select this, and then this is where we will see the safe browsing. So what we want to do is tap into this, because there's actually a couple different levels here. So you can make it enhanced protection. So by default, it's just at the standard protection. But if you actually want it to be even safer, you can enhance it, or you could have no protection whatsoever. So yeah, to turn it off, you would just simply tap on turn off. It's going to make sure that you want to do this. And if you do, you would just tap turn off, and then you'd be set and good to go. Just keep in mind that if you ever want to go back and change it, follow these same steps, and then you can change it back to either standard or enhanced. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, I'll see you next time.